How we made simulated high-speed waveforms to display over USB HID. Watch this episode to see how we put the PIC side code together. If you wanted to measure real data from some physical device, you could use the analog to digital converter that is in the PIC microcontrollers. But for this demonstration, we can just use fake data that is programmed into the PIC device and made to look realistic by a simple trick. We made a separate PC program that could calculate values that can imitate the kinds of waveforms we want the PC program to display. Modern PC compilers like Delphi and MS Visual Studio contain library routines for sine functions, and making the triangle or linear waveforms are easy to generate as well. So we made a program that can calculate these, and we set up the program to generate each line to look like a line of PIC code. So we could just paste these lines right into the right part of our PIC program. Each line creates one data point in a particular waveform. In the PIC program, we have added these lists and added PIC code so that whenever the user clicks on a different waveform in the PC program, the PIC code gets the data from the right list for that waveform type. We also had to add random-looking fake noise to each data point so the waveform shape is constantly changing and the viewer gets an impression of how fast the data is changing. If we didn't do that, the pure waveforms would be identical each time they were drawn, so it would look like they were not changing at all. In our next episode, we'll start building up the PC program that displays the waveforms in real time. For more insights on what you can do with USB HID, click on the next video box shown above.